Caliente, Nevada. Snore Racing Series, Skull Rush 250. We made it out here. Slug Shark's looking good. She's feeling good. She tested well at the Salton Sea. We got the 11 Brothers Motorsports in the house. We got Ampy. We got Riley Walker with his Class 11. Just finished it. It's his first race in his car. We kind of commandeered this this gentleman's property over here. Phone's ringing as always, per usual, just busy as shit. Oh, I'm gonna take this. Hello. What's up? I think so. Are you? I mean, if you got room for two, I'm down.
Those are nice bags. King of the Hammers, though. Yeah.
Dude, we're in. Count me in. We're at our pit right now. Okay, cool. Could you swoop us up? Dude, that's what's up. All right, we're here. We'll be ready. Late. That was the homie Joey from Class 11 Junkies. They're gonna pick us up for the pre-run. That's what's up. Hey, you get that Boxo tool bag all dialed?
Got it.
That's what's up. What do you think of that tool row?
I like it.
Has everything you need?
Yep. Add a couple sockets, a couple extensions for the CVs, and away we go.
Boom. What do you think, Big Papa?
Digging it.
Excited about your first race?
I'm pumped, man. It's gonna be rad. Plus, I get to spend time with my boys.
You get nervous yet?
Anxious, man. I just want to get in and go and not think about it anymore.
Dude, yeah. Once you leave the start, it's go time. These boys helped us out at the Mint 400. How was that experience?
Excellent.
You guys killed it in the pits. Like,
I'm doing it, man. I'm doing it.
yeah. You made the adjustments on my torsion, right?
I did.
He did.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, so did Jason in the main pit.
Yeah, that was clickers and stuff.
Yeah.
okay,
You were,
yeah.
like, you were like so many clicks, and I'm like, okay, let's get this.
Yeah, on the fly. What's up, dude? You excited? When are you gonna get in the race car?
This is first one. This is first race.
First race?
First race?
Breaking them in young. I like it. What do you think so far? Oh, heck yeah. You're gonna become addicted like I did. You watch. You watch. Cars are all stacked up and ready. We're all gonna be programming on the Shreddy channel with our rugged radio setup. Richard's getting toolboxes together for everyone. That's what's up. These boys come through with a bunch of parts. What's up?
Boxes,
You pumped or what?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're co-dogging with your pops?
No, I'm gonna drive.
You're driving?
Yeah.
Oh,
See, I couldn't even
shit.
I couldn't get out of driving if I tried, you know.
Damn, you hear that, Timmy? No.
Yeah, so it's on.
Now I'm a little scared. Before I was like, no big deal.
I was talking to them about it this morning, and I was like, we were talking about where people are gonna be or what's gonna happen. And
Yeah.
I was like, I think Blake will be gone. He'll be out there.
We'll be running. I'm gonna follow your pace since you guys are in front of me, and if
That's what I figured. If not,
if I ride your bumper the whole way, then you can't run away. Then time is time, dude.
Yeah, we'll just mess around.
What do you think of Timmy? You pumped or what?
We'll wait till the last 20 miles and then just hammer down, you know.
You stoked to be out here racing? I know you're the next generation, so you're learning a lot, and you're gonna be showing these boys how it's done in a few years. That's for sure. That's for sure. Let me find Riley, dude. Riley, what up?
He's putting the Volkswagen starter in the Ford as we speak.
So they stopped at a gas station and his starter took a shit, so they had to bump start it since it's a manual with a bunch of people walking. And yeah, you pumped for the first race?
Oh yeah, buddy.
That's what's up. Car looks good.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, first timer in 11 as well. So there's 12 cars in the field. We're getting set up to go pre-run, take some notes and get a look at the course. It's a fun run, and that's it. That's all I got for you this morning. We'll show a little bit of the fun run stuff and carry into the race, and then hopefully show a little bit of the race and finish strong. That's our goal. We're also gonna have to go through tech later today and registration, so I'll show you guys the whole flow of things on how it goes on race day. And little pre-run action, baby. They're telling everyone to roll right now.
Get 2 lions.
Yeah.
Larry. I think I get 2
Run it, dog. Let's go, baby. That old man saying run it. Whoa!
Got a little traction.
Dude, I feel like we have, oh, we're stuck behind the Ranger. Alright, class 10, whatever.
Alright.
This is the start of the pre-run.
Alright.
We got
Bill.
Looking good, Bill.
How you doing?
Looking good.
We're running it with the 1189, class 11, fellow 11ers. How long have you guys been racing in the class 11?
In the 11, just about.
We've been racing a year and we've had the page for 11 years now.
Yeah.
Rooted.
Rooted.
And this is rad. So we're starting it off on this bridge, eh?
Oh, dude, one of the
Oh.
bridges.
Oh. Yeah. Dude. It's so sketch, dude. Oh shit. Hey, we signed the waiver though. Whoa! And we're off. Kevin, what do you think about the start so far?
Oh, that's rad.
Now we're talking, boy. All right, so this is some high-speed stuff. So far, the first like 10 miles is pretty casual.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Pretty
for sure.
Pretty casual, high-speed stuff. Couple of tight corners you got to watch out for, and the course looks really well marked out by the Snore officials. But it is absolutely gorgeous out here.
Oh, kind of like a double?
We found the trees. Oh God! Yes, we did find the trees. This here Ford you got is gonna definitely have some Caliente pinstripes on it.
Yeah.
But this is tight, it's techie. It went from a sandy wash to more of like just a sandy red sand with some marbles in it, as you can see. Wow. Pretty epic though. It's definitely some beautiful scenery, and I think our setup's going to be altered a little bit after this. We're going to probably soften the suspension since there's no big whoops. There's a few holes, but I'd rather have the suspension set up for all this chattery small stuff and not beat us up any more than it's going to. Yeah. So I'll let this truck go by, but this is the halfway point, and yeah, they got a nice little lunch set up for us, little spread.
Finally.
Yeah, this looks bomb. I'm not sure what they got, but it looks like they got a whole bunch of wieners.
Looks like some good stuff.
I like wieners.
Wait, say that again?
But this is cool. This is nice. Halfway through. Has your strategics changed at all for this course? All right.
Ready for it?
All right. We're gonna eat. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna get back to it, and then meet up with the boys and make some of those adjustments. Now we're turning into belly dancers. Oh. Now we got into some techie shit. Super rocky, tight techie shit. And we got a train behind us. But it's okay. It's okay.
We got this.
We got this. We got this. Okay. Jesus. What mile is this? 60? Like 59, 60?
It's like 60.
I know.
Yeah, so we have 2 miles left. There's some treacherous territory in this poor truck. All right, you see all these arrows on both sides of the course? I don't know if you heard that or not, but you see all those arrows on both sides of the course? This is called, what?
Oh shit.
Oh shit. And it's pretty steep coming down into town. Start of the race is over there. You can see where tech and contingency is going to start in a couple hours, as well as registration at the Knotty Pine. If you lose your brakes on this hill, you're going to be saying, oh shit. For sure. MP, we're definitely going to put your brakes to the test on this hill. That's for dang sure. Oh, yeah, and that's pretty much gonna conclude one lap. So we went through a few different washes, a few different fire roads, a few different little forestry areas, a couple ridge lines that overlook some beautiful valleys, and then the last hill coming into town to round out one lap, Oshia Hill into Caliente, Nevada. And that's a wrap. Next step, registration, tech, and whatever other preparation we got until we're going racing tomorrow bright and early. Boom. 11 gang.
Rolling deep.
Rolling deep, baby. I like it. So we are at the Knotty Pine Restaurant and Casino. Going to do a little registration right now. Exit only.
Okay,
Thank you. Tight.
Just in case you didn't know, Blade.
Hey, dude. I didn't know. Did you know?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't.
Well, after we check this off, we're gonna go through tech, which is down by Old Town, and hopefully we don't have any small shit we gotta check off. Pretty sure everything was dialed at the mint, so we should be good to go. Here it is. What a fine establishment. What are we doing, dog?
Well, we're waiting for you to fill out your paperwork so that we
Oh,
can
come on, dude. Come on, just start checking things off, dog.
I don't know who it's for.
Oh.
I don't know whose car it is.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to get it done.
All right, here we go.
This is how he's rocking. This is how he's rocking. He asked to see if he remembers how to sign check. There we go. That a baby. Some of his competition.
Oh, look at that, done.
Alrighty, he's back. Here we go. Bam. See you guys later.
Yeah. Let's see this. What do you need?
To sell out.
Oh, that's fucked up. Oh, he's all like that. Everyone's in line, getting it going. These guys are chilling. We got a bunch of bugs up in here though. Ow, rock. Ooh, that car looks clean. That car looks clean. This car looks clean too. She's a Razor. This is gonna be a fun course for Razors, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Absolutely,
What do you
dude.
have out here?
That little girl.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's a little different than what you normally drive, right?
It is, it is. I built it in 6 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah, she's bad though. She's gonna give these boys a run for their money.
Have a good time, sir.
Thank you, you too, man. I could see you're nervous, dude. What'd you guys forget?
We got everything.
Check.
Triangle it.
Oh.
Here, let me get it for you.
Just tell me you got it.
This is what it's about. Chilling with everyone, eating some good grub. Check that out though. Shout out to Renegade. Trying to swallow this big old piece of beef. Got it. But yeah, cleaned half the car, half the light. You can tell the left half is much cleaner. Shit's rad and it smells like bubble gum. I also got a new beer that I'm totally into, Piston Pete's. Each beer has a different viscosity for each flavor. This is an IPA. It's called Piss Off. Lady Luck is 0.15. It's pretty tight. But what I was really getting into, what's up, dude?
What's up, brother?
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Cheers, buddy.
What I was really getting to is to show off this man right here. Damn, we're eating good today. Eating good. Look at that. Say what? Hey, trailer park pimping. I love it. I love it. We got bugs everywhere. Good tunes, and we're unwinding the day like this. Cars are all prepped and ready. And then tomorrow morning, bright and early, we go racing.
Yeah, it's all up to you.
All of us. It's a team, dude.
Yeah.
Together, we're pulling it. Yeah, tomorrow this time, we're going to have some stories for you guys.
Yeah.
We watch Mr. Ryder over here. Showtime. Mr. Lash.
Showtime, baby. All this shit talking, it's about to come down to it, dog.
About to be called out.
Hey,
This guy's gonna be top 5 right here. He's
You
gonna
get-
put on a show for
hey,
us.
you get top 5. What's the deal?
If I do come in the top 5, I made a commitment to all y'all that I would ride your 50 butt ass naked around the trailer park.
Oh shit. Hey, I'm taking him out. No, it's guys.
We can't let him get top 5.
That was before the IPA.
Oh, it was. Well, you heard it.
Thanks for pushing me to 5th place.
Yeah.
Why is Wilkie drafted?
This is what it's about, though. For the race, just chilling with everyone, and good eats and good times, and all the hard work that led up to this is about to pay off tomorrow, and we're out.
Everybody for coming out.
Yeah, dude.
We would like to thank Skull Rush. He stepped up to sponsor this race this year. He's been kind of helping us with our videos and stuff the past few years, and been doing a great job. So thank you, Carrie,
Little driver's
at
meeting,
Skull Rush
mandatory.
for stepping up for this race.
So we'll hear what they got to say. Waking up bright and early, and we're going racing. It's the last step.
Did everybody go on the pre-run? Did anybody not go on the pre-run?
It's race day. This dude finally got some sleep. He ain't a fucking zombie.
He's like, go get the radios. I'm like, where's the truck? You're like, the truck's right.
And it was.
I didn't even remember what truck we. Like, I couldn't remember what truck we went there in, dude.
Well, it's race day. Richard got some sleep. He was a zombie last night.
I'm ready to rock and roll, baby.
All the boys are ready. Corey, what's up, dog?
What's up? That's B-roll. Get out of here.
Top 5, you're getting naked on the pit bike, dog.
I got the AFC blue tones on already.
Oh, dang. Cars are fresh and ready. This dude, Radu. Tell me about Radu.
Oh, you're in for a real treat. Get the truck fixed. The truck absorber is ready. 200 pounds of air, he's ready.
Hey, how did he pump air into the shocks?
Well, apparently, which I didn't know this, but they do it on airplanes, and as long as you're in the right area where the humidity level is down, it doesn't rust the internals. So you learn something new every day, you know.
And you just use a bicycle pump. Hey, but these guys are freaking rad. I'll do a quick walk around his car real quick because this thing has so much character. Yeah. Sletton motor, that's what's up. But this thing is super raw. Like, these dudes have put this thing through some shit, and it is very, very basic. So once again, you don't have to have the best of the best to come out here and have fun. But I'm putting my suit on. Kevin's gearing up. Dude, I'm more than ready, bro. I'm Shreddy, dog. Oh. Hey, they have an impact over there, I'm sure, right?
it's a fun course. Tell you what, it got a little rough out there, but nothing we couldn't handle. So came in second into the pits. Blake's a little ahead of us, but hoping to finish strong here.
Yeah, that was the funnest track I think I've ever raced on in my life. Yeah, we started second to last.
9th or
I think we had the lead by like mile marker 8 or 9 or something. I knew I had to keep Blake a minute behind, so we were doing that until like 3 miles ago. I blew a turn bad and he got around us. So we came into the pit together, so I couldn't have anything better.
Yeah, that was a great first lap. So hopefully Dennis can bring it home and we'll see what happens.
But see where Corey's at.
We just came across the finish line, almost died about 18 times. It was a wild ass ride. Had a tire rubbing for like the last half a lap, like 30 miles. Crossed the finish line first, started in last. We charged. Kevin was like this poor bug multiple times.
I had to pee really bad. I pissed out the door.
In the speed zone, this dude's like, I'm peeing out the door. All right. No, he did not do that.
I'm just kidding. We would never do that.
Why would we ever do that? Caliente 250 Skull Rush, dude.
Winner, winner.
We crushed that shit, and it was pretty epic, I must say. The scenery was beautiful, the track was cool, and the people, favorite. As you can see now, we're going through the waves. We're gonna prep the Slug Shark. I'm gonna check CVs, brakes. I'm gonna adjust the valves, check the timing. We got called on a P&G test for our motor where they check the compression for the carburetor setup that we have, the MP HPMX, as well as the the compression that goes along with the low comp motors, because there's rules you have to follow. Everything on the 11 Brothers Motorsports motor checked out fine. It was the transmission, this time it was the motor. So I mean, we're playing by the rules, but we won with a pretty good margin, 22 minutes. And I thought there was someone in front of us, so we charged hard the entire race. Well, I had one pit stop for 3 gallons of gas, and it was pretty legit. Kevin co-dogged with me. It was fun, but the car is pretty solid. I mean, I shake everything, I check everything prior to taking it apart. The car is pretty solid. These MP parts are holding up very, very well. The PRP seats made the ride comfortable. I did bend a factory German method wheel, and it was rubbing right here, as you can see. The edit that we threw together prior to this was done by IC from MP. This is kind of like a little closer to the action. What else we gotta do to her? Oh, she was rubbing on the shock a little too. But that Gladiator tire is super thin, and luckily she didn't pop, because that might have cost us the race win. Got some new wheels for $110 from V Parts. Six wheels, Germans, factory German methods. The OGs, those are the strongest. And I'm gonna get some new Gladiators shaved by Scat Track to accommodate our needs for this Class 11 Slug Shark. Other than that, everything else was epic. The King shocks absorbed the bumps for all that they could with the limited travel that we got. And this car, I feel like, was probably capable of doing another 400 miles as is. We built a solid car. I'm proud of this car. I'm proud of this build. And I hope all you guys enjoyed the Slug Shark build. If you haven't seen that episode, go check out those 15 or whatever episodes, and hopefully you learned something. Next race is the night race, the Snore series. Again, since we won the last one, we're gonna go for the championship. You get one throwaway. They had one race earlier in the season, so hopefully we can finish every race and be in the points hunt for the championship this year. Hope to see you there. If not, then we'll have another little YouTube piece for you to follow on our journey with the shark.